Hello student, we are discussing today about the topic electric dipole, and in this topic we take some examples of electric dipole and we go for the electric dipole moment. After defining electric dipole moment, we are discussing about the application based on the electric dipole in this unit. So first we start electric dipole. An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charges, equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance for example HCl, H2O, NH3, CO2, CO, etc. are the examples of electric dipole. Student, the molecules of these elements HCl, NaCl, etc. are the separated by the small molecular distance by their center to center. Suppose we have a dipole of NaCl. So how it is formed? So we know Na is positively charged element, Na plus is positively charged element with its center O1, and Cl is negatively charged element with center O2. So the positive element with proton in the nuclei having a center and the electron revolve around the atom is separated by a distance, the small distance, and their centers are not coincide with each other. When these two elements are react each other, they form NaCl, and their centers are separated by a very small distance. This is Na molecule and this is Cl. So you find there will be very small distance with their center. This small distance is called dipole axis. Now we go to define the dipole moment. electric dipole moment. We have two opposite charges. One is plus q charge and second is minus q charge, which are separated by a small distance. We call this small distance is 2L in the direction of positive charge to negative charge. So any of the charges experience in the electric field a small force QE. So the force experienced by the positive charge Q plus Q by the negative charge is given by minus QE. By the definition of electric field, you all know electric field is given by force upon charge carried by the particle. So, and the force experienced by the negative charge due to the force positive charge is given by, this is for the positive and this is for the negative, is plus QE in the electric field of other 1 minute. The negative charge experience negative force and the positive charge experience positive force. So when we multiply the magnitude of any charge with the small distance, we get the electric dipole moment. So first we define electric dipole moment is defined in the product of magnitude of any charge, magnitude of either any charge plus q or minus q with the distance of separation, with the distance to L between the charges, that is electric dipole moment is defined as P. So the vector P is equal to Q into 2L, where L is vector quantity. The direction of dipole moment is along the direction of axis of electric dipole, is along the direction of its axis. that is plus q charge to negative charge. So student, copy this. Okay student, in this topic application of electric dipole, we are discussing first torque experienced by the electric dipole. Torque on dipole in uniform electric field. Second application is work done and potential energy of electric dipole. Work done and potential energy of electric dipole in uniform electric field. And next and last application which we discussing is electric field due to electric dipole. So student, first we are going to discussing about the torque on dipole in uniform electric field. First point is torque experience by dipole in uniform electric field. Okay student, now first we draw the uniform electric field and a dipole. This is a uniform electric field in which the field lines are moving from positive to negative charge. So when a dipole is placed in the electric field by making an angle with the electric field theta. This is electric field and this is electric dipole moment from plus q to minus q. So we observe here at point A and at point B, dipole experience the forces at point A QE and at point B minus QE, because both the forces are equal in magnitude and having the equal magnitude and opposite directions, that is force due to plus q charge is QE and force due to minus q charge is minus QE, and both have the different direction. One is away from the positive charge and one is away from the negative charge, that is from the center of the dipole. Point B is moving towards positive charges. We show you point B is moving towards positive charge and point A is moving towards negative charge. So the direction of the two force in opposite direction, but they have same magnitude. Therefore net force between the two charges or for a dipole is algebraic sum of the force experienced by the positive charge and the force experienced by the negative charge. On solving we get plus QE and plus minus QE. We get the result is 0. So the dipole in uniform electric field experience zero force, which means it cannot able to translate motion. To do translate motion मतलब वो एक लीनियर मोशन नहीं कर सकता, तो वो क्या कर सकता है? So student, here two forces in opposite direction along the same line, so they gives an ideal condition for couple of forces and they produce a rotational motion in the dipole in the uniform electric field. So first we write about it. Consider an electric dipole AB is kept in uniform electric field of magnitude vector E. It is observed that the dipole in uniform electric field not experience the net force, the net force so it cannot do any translational motion. Translational motion. But because because the two forces are equal and opposite, so the dipole experience the couple of force the dipole experience the dipole experience couple of force which produce torque in clockwise direction. Which is given by, that is, torque experienced by the dipole is force into perpendicular distance. Now we calculate this value from the figure. When we make the condition at C at 90 degree with angle theta, we get this is the distance of dipole 2L, and and this is distance BC. By using triangle ABC, we get sin theta is equal to perpendicular BC and hypotenuse AB, that is BC is equal to AB is vector P sine theta. Now by using this value, the force experienced by the any of charge, we use here QE into perpendicular distance. Force QE into the perpendicular distance is BC. The value of BC we calculate by using the triangle ABC is P sine theta. Now here, 1 minute. The value of P is given by 2L. We using here 2L sine theta, and we apply here 2L. So we get Q into 2L into E sine theta, and we know that the value of Q into 2L is dipole moment into electric field sine theta. This is the torque experienced by the dipole in electric field, where Q into 2L is equal to P, dipole moment. Copy this. Okay, I will erase from here to understand the characteristic of this dipole moment. Here student, you learn in the 11th class the cross product or the product with sine theta is vector. So we can write this dipole moment in vector form. Vector tau is equal to vector P cross vector E. In the vector form. Now, special cases. Here student, we have three special cases. First, when vector P parallel to electric field, that is electric field and dipole moment in the same direction and making the angle theta is equal to 0 degree. For this, from the value tau is equal to PE sine 0 degree, and student, we know sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Then we calculate the torque is 0. This condition is called stable. 1 minute. this condition is this condition is called stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Just student listen here. Suppose a dipole is placed in a magnetic in an electric field. This initially it experiences the force from positive to negative, but if we just turn it by a small angle and place along the direction of क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में अगर हम इसको हल्का सा टर्न कर दें, देन वी ऑब्जर्व दिस इज 1 मिनट एंटी क्लॉक डायरेक्शन. एंटी क्लॉक डायरेक्शन. ओके स्टूडेंट, विच मीन्स अगर हम इसको थोड़ा सा टर्न कर दें ऐसे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में, negative charge towards positive and positive charge towards negative. So what we observe here is negative charge and here is positive charge. So the condition is fulfilled. Positive charge attract the negative charge of the dipole and negative charge attract the positive charge of the dipole. So it will be aligned with the direction of electric field and it will not do any kind of motion or rotational motion. So this particular condition for the parallel in the direction of electric field dipole moment having the angle between the two is 0 degree, we get the torque is 0 and this condition is called stable equilibrium of dipole moment in electric field. Next we go for the next type of parallel case. Suppose this is the first condition and we now go for the second. When dipole, electric dipole and electric field are parallel again but in opposite direction. This is electric field and this is dipole moment having the angle theta 180 degree between, and student we have sine 180 degree is also 0. So we get tau is equal to PE sine 180 degree is equal to 0. Now we observing here in this case, first we draw for this. This is the electric field and a dipole is placed as earlier, positive charge and negative charge with angle theta. Now in the previous case we turn the direction of the dipole anti-clockwise. Now we move it to the clockwise direction. Turn in clockwise direction. we observe, student, by turning it clockwise direction, the dipole is come with positive charge towards positive and negative charge towards negative, and it experience a highly opposing force, and this opposing force turn it in the direction of positive to negative and negative to positive with 180-degree rotation. And then after it comes to the equilibrium position, that is, this condition is called unstable equilibrium. Okay, student, now we have the next case, case third, when dipole moment and electric field at 90-degree, that is theta is equal to 90, and we have sine 90-degree is equal to 1. Therefore we find tau is equal to PE sine 90-degree, and this torque is equal to PE. And this is also unstable case of the dipole, because it experiences a torque due to which it rotates about its axis. And student, you are observing here in the all three cases, for sine 0 the value of torque is 0, for sine 180 the value of torque is 0, but for sine 90 the value of torque is PE, and this is the maximum value of torque. For this we calculate the result. Dipole moment is tau upon E. We can calculate the dipole by this method, and we also calculate the electric field by this, that is torque upon dipole moment. Copy this, student. This topic is very most important and every time asked by the CBSE in your board exams. Copy.